Meanwhile, former Cricket West Indies president Dave Cameron says the recent move by the previous owners to relinquish the Jamaica Tallawahs franchise is a reflection of the management of cricket locally over the last decade. Cameron, who was speaking on Radio Jamaica's Beyond the Headlines with Dion Jackson-Miller on Friday, says that changes are needed to rectify the issue.
But it's a culmination of bad management in Jamaica for over 10 years. So you need to start with the administration of Jamaica cricket. We don't even have proper senior cup anymore. We don't have junior cup anymore. We don't have minor cup. The club cricket is dead. That's where all the aspiring cricketers and good cricketers would go into your club system. So where is that? We have a decline in the number of schools participating in Headley Cup and ratio. So those are the challenges. Don't ask me how to do it. I'm past that now, and I'm dealing with football now.
Outgoing Tallawahs Chief Executive Officer Jeff Miller agrees with Cameron's stance.
Cricket administration in Jamaica needs to step up to the plate, become more active, and it got to be a relationship between government and the Cricket Association to move forward. I still believe that look, the Tallawahs is the three-time champions of the CPL. It is a catastrophe not to have a Jamaica Tallawahs not playing in the tournament. I don't know how that is going to work out.
And General Secretary of the West Indies Players Association and former Jamaica batter Wayne Lewis spoke about the implications for younger players.
So in terms of the youngsters, see this as an opportunity to enrich themselves and to improve themselves and their families, because most of our sportsmen in Jamaica come out of the lower strata of the economic base in Jamaica. So therefore, our sport is a serious opportunity for these guys to get them frustration on this unfortunate economic base that they are in. And you look at so many examples around of our sportsmen of living a better life and setting up foundations and helping their families and so on, and motivating youngsters and setting a shining example for the youngsters behind it. All of that is basically out the window right now, because there's no one for them to emulate and motivate and represent in Jamaica.